Alright everyone, we are back with episode 2 of volcanoids. Oh, we are above ground at the moment. Well, today we are picking up where we left off, as well as working towards further refinement of but not unwelcome. But let us head down underground now. While things happen, because we are getting kind of close to the boom time. Ooh, yes, got the various station-wides. That is going to help a lot. Let's see. The starter production next. Sulfur powder. Okay, I have gotten those items that I had queued made, and I have also placed down the refinery module all to assist, and I've already gotten this set up for the basics. You don't need to be on, and neither do you. Oh, albeit the scrapper will be of use eventually. Yeah, but now comes the actual stations themselves, so gonna see when I'm going to arrange those. See you then. Just placing down the control stations at the moment. And doing minor rearranging. So that should help out now to actually set these up. Well, I just found out that this can be upgraded and turns into this. So yeah, I now have 2 of the same thing that I find annoying of these. Only really need 1. So this one's going bye-bye. And into scrap, as it is not needed. We are heading back above ground. And as there's not much of that I can do now, that is underground. And as you can see, an eruption has just occurred. I have made myself basic armor. Can't see anything at the moment. Going to deploy that. And now I got myself another guy. I think that's good. But now off to the mine. The mine should be useful. So which Oh, so it's the quest. Oh, I forget if enemies can actually spawn in here, but I am going to want to loot. Nope, that ain't highlighting, so... Looking for loot, I'll see you in a bit. Okay. Okay, craftsman. Looks like I gotta get moving. And that is what you call a pot shot. Let's see. Already grab that. Then the investigation. I'm going to take the storage module. Well, as I'm going to be needing that now. Let's put the storage on the roof right there. Well, I missed the fun. Oh, that shouldn't be doing that. That's a replacement. I need a repair kit. There we go. Well, I have to do an investigation. And right quick, got 12 minutes, so that's plenty of time. And I'll even open the door the fun way. Oh wait, already. But loot has respawned. Also wants me to make a... Oh, once I have 7, it wants me to make 15 hand grenades. Okay, so that's 1. 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. The station-wide. Ooh. Module, where is copper tube? Yes, please. That is something that I need made pronto. Oh, I am low on power. Yes, I am aware. Care of that, and grenades from storage. Let's see, how much time do I have? 9 minutes. Where's the closest cog ship? I'm not seeing one. Oh wait, there's one on a higher elevation. I think I'm going to show you guys an upgraded drill ship in terms of space, so underground I go. Right, and voila! I don't believe that is. Yeah, that's the wrong color. Oh, and it won't work because I'm underground. Yeah, let's see here. Yep, it was number 9 that calls the drill ship. And I hope it gets here soon, because I only have so much time remaining. Oh, and there's another mine shaft right there. Okay. Oh, here it comes. Yep, here comes my ship. And not too soon, and no too soon, because got about 2 minutes before I have to go under. Yeah, I really have to fix that. 9. I need to scoot. Yeah, that's a scoot. That is a scoot. I should have everything that I need. I may want... Do I have any extra? No, I do not have any extra shells, so... Oh, something finished. Okay, we're putting the bolts at least. Thanks, I zoned out for a moment. Well. Now. Now that is set up, I can now press dump all. That is the refinery. Oh! Yeah, that is the refinery module. Oh. Well, could go after that tier 2 this instant. But I am not up to it, and I have other things that I need to help out with so far today. So I do so think that I'll be calling this episode here for right now. Hope you all enjoyed, and when we come back for episode 3, we'll be going off to getting our first tier 2 kill. Well, see you all in a moment, or in the next episode. Hope you all enjoyed. Hoida. Hoida.